Once again, welcome all of you. I am Dr. H.S. Kumawat. आज हम न्यू चैप्टर स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं होटल अकाउंटिंग. होटल अकाउंटिंग इन्वॉल्व्स summarizing, reporting and analyzing the hotel's financial position for a particular period. Further helps in budgeting, forecasting and future cost planning. Main business of a hotel is to provide food and accommodation, but there are some big hotels who provide other comforts, recreations, entertainments, business facilities, etc. The scheme of accounting will depend on the nature and size of a hotel and its requirement, although the principle of accounting will be the same. A hotel may have different provisions for serving of refreshments or for serving of lunch and dinner, including the arrangement of bar. An analytical purchase book and a cash book may be maintained for recording purchases and expenses with different columns for the wines and minerals, groceries, provisions, cutlery, bedding, establishments, furniture and fixtures, etc. A ledger column must also be made in cash book for recording the disbursement made for visitors. Main points of hotel accounting is separate accounts have to be maintained for receipts like wines, beer and spirits, etc. and payments made against them, the balance being transferred to profit and loss account. Appropriate adjustments are also to be made for meals, laundry, etc. between the staff and the proprietor. Expenses are to be apportioned among the different sections in an appropriate manner, and the same will be adjusted in profit and loss account. In short, while preparing final accounts, special attention must be made for adjustment entries relating to meals, accommodation, etc. You see the detailed case book, receipt side, date particulars and breakfast, lunch, dinner, separate columns are prepared for different items. For example, there are many columns: breakfast, lunch, dinner, bar, carriage, telephone, sundries. Like that, in the payment side, there is multi-columnar cash book, purchase and groceries, wines, cutlery, bedding, establishment, etc. Now we see the financial statements in hotel accounting. Financial statements are the records that convey the financial position and performance of the hotel for a certain period of time. There are balance sheet, profit and loss account and cash flow statement. Balance sheet, the statement of hotel's financial position. Hotel balance sheet comprises the three elements: assets, liabilities and equity at a specific time. Now the profit and loss account. Income statements disclose the hotel's financial performance over a specific period of time in terms of net profits or loss. It clearly shows the accounts list in the hotel and their balances, which actually summarizes the income and expenses. cash flow statement is a statement that presents the cash flow movement and bank balances across the hotel portfolio over a period of time. Starting from the hotel's ongoing operations till the end of a given period. The cash coming in and going out is seen on the cash flow statement.